PillowStop keeps pillow from sliding off the bed. Built-in 120 volts pump for easily inflating at home or on the go. ComfortStrong coil system for better support and superior comfort. Supports up to 600 pounds, designed for indoor and outdoor use. Top reviews from the United States. Was very apprehensive. Found it to be a pleasant surprise. We went camping. We had just bought it and never got it out of the bag until we got to our campground. I took it out and filled it with air. About 2 hours later I gave it some more air. We camped for 3 days and our 80-pound dog slept on it during the day and with us at night. It held air. I didn't have to go back to add air after the initial fill up and then a secondary on the first evening before bed. Very comfortable for a air mattress, not like the ones even 10 years ago. Bravo Coleman, you did it again.